This is a simple exercise to help you feed some movement from your hips through your back to encourage your spine to move a little bit more freely. This is a simple exercise for anyone who is experiencing back pain that feels like they're all locked up through their pelvis, hips, lower back. For anyone that starts to struggle to actually differentiate between these structures, this is a nice way to do it. So when we try to get the pelvis to hike and drop, when you bend a knee that you feel like you're tipping off to one side, so you're trying to move everything up here versus moving your hips, a way to combat that, pop your hand against the wall. So now I'm using the wall to stop me side bending this way. From here, lock the elbow, pop a hand on this hip so you know where you're trying to move, and bend the opposite knee. So same side knee as the hand that's on the wall. I'm going to bend, and you should see that I drop down and hike up here and come out. And it's just feeding that movement in nice and gently. We'll start to get the pelvis hiking up with a little bit of feeding a movement up into the lower spine. And we want to do maybe 10 or 15 of these and then swap around and do the other side. What that should facilitate is, instead of bending your knee and moving everything as one piece, we should be able to segment and feed movement up through here without having to brace and protect through that, okay?